Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Methi Bombil. Take 2 bunches of fenugreek leaves. Add a cup of water. Add some salt. Rub it well. You can also use baby fenugreek leaves. Add some more water. It will help to reduce bitterness. Soak it for 15 minutes, then rinse and squeeze. Take dried Bombay duck. Add some water. Soak it for 30 to 40 minutes. Add 3 to 4 crushed garlic cloves in the oil. Sauté 1 minute until aroma comes and rawness goes away. Take 2 sliced onions. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Add washed fenugreek leaves. Sauté well. At this point, add Bombay duck. Add soaked, wash and clean Bombay duck. 2 tablespoons Kashmiri Chilli Powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add less amount of salt as once cooked fenugreek quantity will reduce. Roast well. Do not add additional water as the onion releases it. Cover and cook 15 minutes on low flames. Dries out the water completely. Check Bombay duck whether cooked or not. If it breaks, which means it's cooked. Dish out. Serve hot with chapatis. Do try this healthy yet delicious Methi Bombil recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.